Hey everybody, it's John, aka Golden John Ion, with another quick hit computer tip. Here's a quick question. Do you want to be able to watch torrent videos while they're downloading but not sure what to do? Well, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how. From a browser, search for an application called WebTorrent and navigate to its download page. Once there, download the application to a familiar location. Now that it's downloaded, navigate to where you saved the installer and run it. After WebTorrent installs, it should automatically open up for you to try out. From here, navigate to a torrent website in a browser and search for a wanted video. Copy the magnet link and paste it into WebTorrent by selecting Edit, then select Paste Torrent Address, or just by selecting Ctrl and V while the application is open. Now that the link is pasted, you should see a download progress bar and a play button. To play the video while it's downloading, just click on the play button and enjoy. There you have it. You now have the ability to watch torrent videos while they're downloading. And that's where I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips.